All day and all night, we'd stay up, it felt so right. We were so young, we were so dumb.
Oh le bâtard.
And then hook up, we were okay, we were alright. Staying awake till the sunrise. We were in love, couldn't stop us. Like a good drug, never enough. We'd hook up in my car, drive it so far. Play your guitar, you'd show me your art. Let down our guards, think with our hearts. Stare at the stars, we were never apart. Drinking too young, way too much fun. Out in the sun,
mais moi Coman plutôt. Et Coman mec il est nul en finition en ce moment hein. Ah ouais mais il court que comme moi. Wow. Bien joué. Mais en fait, il voulait pas que tu aies la passe D. Enfin.
Long fights, it felt right. We were alive. We would go out. We were so loud. We were so proud. We had no doubts. Weekends, weekdays, we'd spend our own way. We were careless. We were fearless. We were reckless. Time was precious. We loved to waste time, whiskey and wine, drinking all night, asleep by your side. Finally alive, we would just drive, never arrive. Our journey was live, staying out late, testing our fate, running away. We live for today, young and so bold, never get old. Screw what we're told, we can't be controlled.
Dommage. Ah, ok.
I remember everything and how careless we could be.
Ouais.
And how careless
On a gagné un tournoi, mais... En vrai, c'est ennuyant un peu. Non, mais même avec Mathizo... Ouais, tu sais que surtout que le mec là il a juste 3 matchs à gagner. Donc en vrai si t'as une bonne équipe de 5, tu le fais. Moi j'en fais. Oh dommage, bien tenté. Ça a fait une faute, mais non, mais c'est trop. C'est que c'était une passe, hein. C'était une putain de passe, en fait. Hein.
Yeah. Woke up this morning feeling like a wreck. Brains in a haze, but I'm ready to flex. Put on my headphones, turn up the beat. Gonna let loose, forget all the heat. Walking down the street, people staring at me, but I don't give a damn. I'm in my own
J'avais
street.
oublié que
Swag
c'était
on
des
point,
blocs,
attitude so
putain.
high, I know. Woke up this morning feeling like a wreck. Brains in a haze, but I'm ready to flex. Put on my headphones, turn up the beat. Gonna let loose, forget all the heat. Walking down the street, people staring at me, but I don't give a damn. I'm in my own spree. Swag on point, attitude so high, no on. Woke up this morning feeling like a wreck. Brains in a haze, but I'm ready to flex. Put on my headphones, turn up the beat.
Après, c'est vraiment pas mon domaine de prédilection. Mais...
Staring at me, but I don't give a damn. I'm in my own spree. Swag on point, attitude so high, no, I know. Woke up this morning feeling like a
Un
wreck.
milieu de terrain.
Put on my headphones, turn up the beat. Gonna let loose, forget all the heat. Walking down the street, people staring at me, but I don't give a damn. I'm in my own spree. Swag on point, attitude so high.
Ouais, si tu marques un quadruplé, on en reparlera. Ah oui, dans ce match-là. Allez, t'as 3 essais. T'as 3 essais, mais avec le même perso. Allez.
Walking down the street, people staring at me, but I don't give a damn. I'm in my own spree. Swag on point, attitude so high. No one. Woke up this morning feeling like a wreck. Brains in a haze, but I'm ready to flex. Put on my headphones, turn up the beat. Gonna let loose, forget all the heat.
Bien joué, les gars.
People staring at me, but I don't give a damn. I'm in my own spree. Swag on point, attitude so high. No one.
Et du coup, il va vouloir que tirer. Ah. Ah, moi, si je peux te faire une page, je te la fais, hein.
Woke up this morning feeling like a wreck. Brains in a haze, but I'm ready to flex. Put on my headphones, turn up the beat. Gonna let loose, forget all the heat.
Ça fait 2.
People staring at me, but I don't give a damn. I'm in my own.
J'habite dans le 49, mec. Ah, tranquille. Non. Non, pourtant j'ai la Loire juste à côté de chez moi, genre vraiment à 500 mètres. Vraiment. Ah ouais, mais t'inquiète, j'ai des murets, donc ça. En fait, je t'ai pas dit, j'habite sur la Loire, en fait. Bah ouais, mec.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up, I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden, I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay.
Allez, va marquer ton triplé là. Voilà, bien joué. Ouais, bah bien sûr. Oh, il y a 2 heures entre toi et moi. Ouais, t'as vu comment il est. Je vais tout faire pour t'aider, Psy One. Je vais tout faire pour t'aider, Psy One. Vas-y, fais la passe. Aïe. Putain, tu m'aurais fait la passe, je lui aurais donné la PES. Putain, bah ouais, ça pense qu'à sa gueule. Les mecs, tu sais qu'il m'aurait fait la passe, je t'aurais fait la PES. Moi aussi j'ai envie que tu marques le cadeau de fait, mec. Pas tous les jours qu'on en marque un. Je suis derrière celui-là. Aïe. Il peut pas dire que j'ai pas essayé, hein. Ah putain, ils sont arrivés à 2, frère. Et il a réussi. Et le pire, c'est que c'est moi qui lui ai fait la passe D. Hein. Allez. Tu l'as pas exactement, hein. Tu l'as pas exactement. Je te l'ai jamais dit, hein.
Push myself to the limit. If I play it, then I win it. I'm just saying, I'm just living for today. For a minute, I don't stay. I just visit. I don't shame.
La conséquence.
To see if I succeed. To see if I fall.
Oula.
They're looking up to me. They want the best of me now. Best of me now. Best of me now. Best of me. They want the best of me now. Best of me.
Pas tirer ici, hein, c'est une dinguerie. Hein.
Best of me.
apparemment pas hein, pour eux, tu vois.
I swear to God, man, I'ma make it soon. Silence all the haters as they see us making moves. I do what I want, so I got nothing to prove.
Mais même pas, je t'ai dit.
Teaching others what to do.
Depuis que je l'ai passé défenseur, mec.
My mind is open. They start to notice that I'm in motion.
Oh bah, c'est niqué tous les deux. Ouais, tous les trois, quoi, gardien.
To stay composed.
Il nous a filé, là,
Never
c'est ça.
stop, never stop. There ain't no time to fall. Try to live.
Bah, moi j'ai tout vu.
You got one life to
En plus, j'ai des preuves à mettre.
never small, cause you gotta want it all. When you finally get that call, you get ready, take it all. Need a hand out, I already stand out. Starting to advance now, ready to expand now. You don't have a chance now, cause we're in demand now. Make it by the grand now, feeling in command now. They're looking right at me to see if I succeed, to see if I believe. They're looking up to me. They want the best of me now.
Et ouais, le 5 supplé, c'est pas tous les jours.
Best of me now. Best of me. They want the best of me now. Best of me now. Best of me now. Best of me.
Lui, il a pas. Elle va tirer. Oh, le 5 tuplé. Putain, moi j'ai jamais marqué de 5 tuplé. Jamais de la vie ça passe, hein. Ah ouais, faut choisir, hein.